Hello, I'm David with Borah Manufacturing. At Borah Manufacturing, our mission is to provide equipment that's more efficient, more innovative, and advances the industry. Borah Manufacturing was founded in the end of 2022. Since that time, we have built one drill rig, and we are currently working on our first pump truck. We will have that pump truck at the NJWA show in New Orleans. The question has been asked, why are we building pump hoist trucks? It all goes back to 1978 when my father bought the pump business from his great uncle. My father, Henry, built the first pump truck in 1982. That one we called Betsy. Pump Service has since sold that truck, but they have built 4 more trucks. So we built a total of 5 trucks to date. We are currently building number 6 at Borah Manufacturing. This model that we're currently building has 53 years of improvements, including stainless steel bed, advanced hydraulics, and a system that makes your business more efficient. One of the things that we've run up against at Borah Manufacturing is the Baker mentality. The mentality is, if you need it, build it. If you're going to build it better. We decided that if we're going to build a pump truck for Pump Service, that we would then start building and marketing pump trucks for the entire industry. The bed on these pump hoists is made out of stainless steel. We did that for longevity purposes. Originally, my dad said that would be too expensive, but when he ran the numbers on painting and sandblasting and resandblasting and repainting, he realized that stainless steel is not that expensive. Everything here has been designed for space efficiency. These beds are built narrower than a standard dually utility box bed, and that was done for the purpose of having a wider box isn't necessarily a great thing when you're dealing with space, but the other problem is the wider beds are hard to see from your mirrors. These beds are designed such that by being a little narrower, it makes the visibility from the cab better. It also makes it easier to get into tight spaces. The winches on these pump hoists use a radial piston motor, which is a high torque, low RPM motor, and it's bolted directly to the winch drum. This makes it so that not only do you not have a gearbox, but the maintenance on these is substantially lower. When you partner that with a rotary piston pump, not only are we able to transfer a higher horsepower to the winch from the PTO, but we're also able to better control the load that we're lifting and makes for a much more efficient hydraulic system. On these trucks, we have the ability to store wire up and out of the way. When you get on a job site and you need wire, you'll have it. But it's just a nice feature in being able to go to a job site and have everything you need. With the 2-stage cylinder, the mast can go up 60 feet. This allows you to pull 2 lengths of pipe on the flat or out of the roof of a pump house, making your operation more efficient. Having started this pump hoist project, and we've started some advertising, I'm surprised at the number of people that have been calling, asking questions on what the options are and what some of the features of this bed are. One of our customers, or potential customers, has asked about using pack-out boxes instead of having shelves and bin boxes. He likes to use pack-out boxes. We've been able to come up with a utility box that now favors pack-out boxes. And that is going to become our standard for the truck bed dimension. So it doesn't matter if the customer wants to utilize bin boxes or if we have a customer that wants to utilize pack-out boxes. That's all going to be available. With our new design, we are able to put in 16 of the normal size pack out organizers, and we're able to also put in 8 of the compact organizers. And in the lower bins, in the lower compartments, you can now put your pack out toolboxes or your deep set organizers. And the top is also configurable if you wanted to use your deep set organizers in the top. They slide in individually. They're not stacked and interlocked, making it so that if you need the third one down in the stack, you simply just pull it out, use what you need out of it, and put it back.